Have you ever seen a trial in New York where the injured victim's attorney looks totally bored while the defense attorney is questioning his witness during cross-examination? You want to know what this is all about and why it's so important? Come join me for a moment as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. If you've ever had the opportunity to watch a trial, you will notice that really good plaintiff's attorneys tend to look very bored while the defense attorney is cross-examining their own witness. Now, why does that happen? The attorney will appear to be totally bored. He'll be looking at the ceiling, he'll be looking at the floor, he'll be wiping lint off his suit or looking at his fingernails. He wants to give the jury the impression that what the defense attorney is doing is not important. He wants to give the jury the impression that this is totally boring and they shouldn't really be paying much attention to the defense attorney's questions. Imagine if, on the other hand, the injured victim's attorney were like this, and he's so suspenseful, and everything he's sitting on the edge of his seat, wondering what the defense attorney is next going to ask. And now the jury's going to pay rapt attention to every single word that comes out of the defense attorney's mouth. Instead, if the plaintiff's attorney turns around, the injured victim's attorney just turns around while the defense attorney is questioning his witness and is looking totally bored, and he's staring at the ceiling, he's staring at the floor, and he's just looking around, not paying close attention. The reality is, the attorney is paying very close attention. He's listening very carefully. The injured victim's attorney is paying very careful attention, but he's giving the appearance as if he doesn't have a care in the world. He has to listen carefully to see whether or not the defense attorney is asking an inappropriate question or focusing on a topic that's totally inappropriate. And if it is, the attorney will then jump up and object. But to give the impression that the attorney is totally bored is so important. Why? Because otherwise the jury's going to focus on every single thing the defense attorney says. Now, they may still do that, but they're going to think, hey, the injured victim's attorney doesn't think this is so important, and look, he's doing everything but paying rapt attention. So why should we pay close attention? And that's a very subtle thing you'll notice when you see really good trial attorneys at trial questioning a witness. And now watch the other side, watch the adversary go ahead and see what they're doing. Are they writing down every single word that the witness has said? Are they sitting on the edge of their seat? Are they startled by every single thing that's said? The answer is no. You'll find that those really good trial attorneys tend to be totally bored or give the appearance of being totally bored. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an idea of what goes on during the trial process that you may not be aware of. I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.